What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. Today we are going to be going over days, plural, days 13 and 14. Yes, 13 and 14 right after this intro. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to make this video short because, to be quite honest with you, you guys know, if you've been watching the videos, that the fasting schedule for this week was really kind of out of control. Well, not out of control, but it was very sporadic because I didn't have time to plan, and then I had plans which I didn't plan for, if you're following that. So let's start out with the week. Let's jump straight into weight, okay? So this week at the start, I weighed in at 281.1 with a 52.3% body fat. And I'm just gonna go right into it, guys, with my weight. Hold on. First, let me tell you what it looked like as far as fasting, just so we get that out of the way. So it was a sporadic fasting schedule from 8/12 to today. Currently I'm still fasting, but I'm only at like 16 hours. The event that I have today is at like 1. I'm not gonna eat until then. So what are we at? It's 10 right now, so 10, 11, 12, 1-ish. So 16, 17, 18, 19 hours, maybe 20, depending on how fast the food comes. That will be the fasting for today. And just a reminder, I am going to be posting food shorts. So I know some of you guys like to see the food that I eat. So I will be posting them, but I'm going to post the food in shorts. I think it would be better that way, but we'll see. So look for that. But as far as the fasting, like I said, it was for a minimum. I tried to do a minimum of 16 hours minimum, but I failed at that on Saturday and the Sunday because of how late we were out and eating. It just didn't work out that way because we woke up on Sunday. I'm sorry, not Sunday, because today is Sunday. Friday. Yes, no, it was Friday into Saturday. Am I saying that right? God, my mind is all scatterbrained. Today is Sunday. I am fasting today. So it would have been Friday into Saturday morning where I wasn't able to fast the 16 hours because I ate so late in the night on Friday, and then we woke up and had breakfast on Saturday morning. Yes, that's it. So yeah, it wasn't 16 hours for that. It might have been, I'm gonna say maybe 10. I didn't even start the clock because we got in late. So if that tells you anything, yeah, I don't even know. So I'm gonna say maybe 10, but nothing significant. So today it'll be about 20 hours. As far as eating, I ate about twice in a day with the fasting, and I'm gonna put the fasting, it should already be up, but the fasting schedule so you can see how I did. But I ate about twice a day. If I didn't eat twice a day, I only ate once a day. The food I had was very basic, so I didn't do any recording of the actual food that I was eating. There was no working out at all this week. None, zero. I didn't even get on the rower. Everybody who watches this channel, they should know that I do like to row. I try to row at least 10 minutes a day, but I did not do that this entire week when my fasting schedule was crazy and my actual life was crazy this week. So yeah, I didn't do that, but that was the fasting schedule. Let me go ahead and jump back into weight because I said that this video would be short. So like I said, start of the week at 281.1 pounds with a 52.3% body fat, and I'm ending this morning, I weighed in, ending the week at 279.7 pounds at 51.9% body fat. So from the week start to the week end, I'm actually down a pound, 1.4 pounds. That's not bad. I was legitly, guys, I was expected to gain so much weight. Like, seriously, I was expecting to gain so much weight. You just feel heavy. I was telling my wife, I said, you know, eating all of this time, like throughout the days like this and consistently eating, I feel heavy. I feel full all the time. I feel sluggish. I feel tired. Like, I don't know. My body is adjusted to the fasting lifestyle, which is great. But it knows that I can fast a long time. So, I just feel, and like I told her, I said, my goal is to lose the amount of weight that I want to lose and then jump back into OMAD, which is before I started ADF. Because I think one meal a day is where I would like to be and maintain my weight, my goal weight once I get there. And I think it would accommodate my lifestyle as far as socially. And that's a big piece of it that bothers me, is the social aspect of me not being able to, go out and eat with friends and with my wife or with family, that type of thing, and being on that drastic schedule. And given how my body maintained when I had stopped for that long period of time, a little bit, and now, like, it seems as if my body is registering the fasting lifestyle and everything, because I have not gone back up drastically in weight. So that's promising. I remember reading this book, and if anybody wants to know the name of the book, I can get it. I know the name of it. I just can't think of it at the moment. But they explained it as if it's a temperature gauge in your house. So it's almost like your body is set at a certain temperature. Your house is set at a certain temperature. When you go in and you put on the air conditioning or the heat, it will cool or heat your house to what you set your temperature to be at that moment. But it will eventually go back to that house setting that you have on your thermostat. And that's how they essentially explain how the body works with your weight. And so I think that I've effectively changed that standard body weight. Like, I've brought it down so my body kind of keeps me in a certain range. But my goal is to get it down even further, and get it to my goal weight and have that be my set temperature or set weight. So that is the ultimate goal, and I am hoping that I can achieve that goal and bring you guys along with me, because I think it'll be exciting. I want to note, because I know I didn't just come off a 90-hour fast, but the week before this week, I came off a 90-hour fast. And if you watch that video, you know that I lost 11 pounds in 1 week fasting for 90 hours, which is awesome, right? So at the end of that fast, just so we have a recap, I ended that with a weight of 274.1 pounds at 52.4 body fat percentage. Now, that is, if you take my weight that I ended at now to where I ended at after the 90-hour fast, that takes me up 5.6 pounds. But I still maintain the loss of some poundage, which is great. That makes me excited, very happy, motivated to jump right into this week's 90-hour fast, because that's what I'll be doing this week. Now, I did have a loss of a 0.5% body fat loss, which is even better, right? That's awesome. So I'm coming away, you guys know that I was really down about not being able to fast like I wanted to this week. It was a real downer, but I was able to do it, and it wasn't that bad of an outcome, which I am super happy about, because you know how when you gain weight, it can be a real downer. I'm not sure about you guys, but me, if I feel like I'm doing a lot and then I'm not getting the reward I expect or something of that nature, it really drives me down in the dumps. And just coming off of this week, knowing that I was so frustrated with not being able to do what I wanted to do and not focusing, it really was dampening me, dampening my mood. And I really thank you guys for the encouragement, those that reach out and said, hey, you know, it happens, because that helped me. So thank you for that. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the support. I said I was going to make this video short, and I'm babbling on. So let me go ahead and end the video. Like you guys know, I know how to end it. If I can do this, you can for sure, and I will catch you in the next video.